In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up for the Beehiiv Affiliate Partner Program step by step, so you can get your unique referral link, start sharing it with your audience, and track your results inside the dashboard. If you're a creator, marketer, or anyone looking to earn through Beehiiv's partner program, this is going to be a simple, beginner-friendly walkthrough. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need is a Beehiiv account. If you already have one, you can skip ahead to the next step. If not, go ahead and create your Beehiiv account using the official sign-up process. Once your account is ready, log in with your credentials and head into your main Beehiiv dashboard. Now that you're inside your account, look at the top menu. You should see an option called Partner Dashboard or Share and Earn. This is the area Beehiiv uses for its affiliate partner program. Click that option to open the partner section. Once the partner page loads, Beehiiv will ask you to choose the option that best describes you. Take a moment here and select a one that matches your role or how you plan to promote Beehiiv. This helps Beehiiv understand your partner setup and may tailor the program experience for you. After that, you'll be shown the partner program terms of service. It's always a good idea to review these terms before continuing, because this is where you'll find the rules, requirements, and details about how the program works. Read through the terms carefully so you know what you're agreeing to. If everything looks good, accept the terms of service and then click Join Partner Program. This is the step that officially enrolls you into the Beehiiv Affiliate Partner Program. Once you join, Beehiiv should take you directly into your partner dashboard. Inside the partner dashboard, you'll find your unique affiliate link. This is the most important part because this is the link you'll use to refer people to Beehiiv. Copy that link and save it somewhere easy to access so you can use it in your content, emails, social posts, or website. Now you can start sharing your affiliate link with your audience. You might place it in a blog post, a YouTube description, a newsletter, a social media bio, or anywhere else that makes sense for your audience. The key is to share it naturally and explain why Beehiiv could be useful to them. As people click your link and sign up, you can monitor everything from the dashboard. Beehiiv gives you tracking for clicks, leads, and conversions, so you can see how your affiliate efforts are performing in real time. This is really helpful because it lets you understand what's working and where your traffic is coming from. So to recap, the process is simple. Create a Beehiiv account, log in, open the partner dashboard or share and earn section, choose your profile option, review and accept the terms, join the partner program, copy your unique affiliate link, share it with your audience, and then track your results in the dashboard. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. And if you want more videos like this, check out the next tutorial on the screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.